Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog snuffle mats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Neecong Snuffle Mat. The Neecong Snuffle Mat is my winner of the best portable option. With an outer edge and cord, you can cinch this mat up to take on the go or tighten it to make treat finding a more significant challenge. You can also hang it or fold it away when not in use. Its circular design also lets you place it in a bowl for slow feeding options. This snuffle mat is easy to fill and made of durable, non-toxic materials. Its non-slip bottom prevents it from sliding around during foraging. At 19 inches x 19 inches, its smaller size is ideal for small to medium-sized dogs. Some customers said their dogs also use it as a comfy bed to curl up in. The only negative aspect of this option is that it is hand wash only, so I recommend it only for dry treats or kibble. The felt in this mat is stiffer than others, which holds onto the treats well. The design isn't as complicated as some customers would have liked, but this was a positive thing as a beginner snuffle mat for others. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Stellaire Chern Snuffle Mat. The multiple options and sizing for foraging make the Stellaire Chern mat the most versatile choice. This mat has a section that looks like other foraging mats, plus other types of cups, folds, and pockets to increase entertainment. As you see, there are many choices regarding hiding treats or training tools. By mixing up the hiding spots, your dog is forced to rely on smell alone to track down each treat. Though it does take longer to fill with treats, and customers say it isn't very durable against extreme chewers, it's ideal for dogs that need more of a challenge. It comes in 2 sizes, medium, 23.6 x 39.4 inches, and large, 39.4 x 39.4 inches, and 3 colors. The soft polar fleece/felt fabric is gentle on noses. Even with multiple daily feedings, none of us saw signs of irritation or abrasion in our snout inspections. The material is made with upcycled, eco-friendly material. This mat has an anti-slip backing and folds up easily for storage or transport. Once playtime is over, roll up the mat and use the attached ties to keep it in a neat coil. This is one of the best if you want a snuffle mat with various hiding spots. At number 3, we have the OurMiao Snuffle Mat. I've added this snuffle mat to my list because this is the one I use for my intelligent Doxy, and she loves it. This mat has 6 foraging challenges, offering lots of mental stimulation, but best of all, the most challenging section has a squeaker, which she goes crazy for. This squeaker might not be the best option for dogs who tend to destroy anything with a squeaker in. But many small dogs like mine could easily spend 30 minutes getting a treat out of this tricky compartment. It's one of the best purchases I've made for her. At number 2, we have the Fomini Snuffle Mat. If you're looking for a snuffle mat for ultimate enrichment, this is one of the best. It measures 33.5 x 19.7 and has 16 difficult sections. It has thick grass, loop flowers, salad bowls, multi-layer bones, tricky cross pockets, and fun carrots. I'll purchase this one when my OurMiao mat bites the dust. Fomini's foraging mat has 4 suction cups that can be attached to each corner, making it secure for strong-willed dogs. Although some customers felt the suction cups weren't as strong as they could be, the anti-slip bottom also helps to keep the mat in place. You can also place the loops around furniture legs if you have carpet flooring or use it outside. This is a versatile and highly rated choice. It folds up for easy storage and is simple to clean with dry treats. However, it is not machine washable, so I only recommend dry treats for it. And finally, at number 1, we have the OurMiao Silicone Snuffle Mat. If your pup sees a soft snuffle mat as a toy, a silicone snuffle mat might be a better option for Fido. Although this is not durable against chewers, some dogs might prefer this choice. Hide their treats under the leaves, and they have to work to find them. You can also use wet treats like peanut butter or wet dog food, which is not ideal with typical fabric snuffle mats. I like that this option has powerful suction cups on the bottom to help keep it in place. This is an excellent feature for tough pups or clever canines who chuck the mat in the air to release the treats. Not with this mat. It also means you can use it to distract them in the bathtub or during grooming time. It is not machine washable, but you can chuck it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. It is made with pet-safe silicone and can withstand temperatures of -20 degrees Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius, refrigerator, oven, sterilizer, etc. It comes in two sizes, 8 inches x 8 inches or 14.6 x 7.3, making it suitable for small and large dog breeds. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.